Southern Scratcher, whoa. We have some Scratcher tickets trying to win the lotto. Comment, like, and subscribe before you go.
Alrighty, Southern Scratchers $50 lot. We've got all $5 tickets. We got a 50 times the cash, a jumbo bucks, 1 million bankroll, a blue power 10, and a Carolina black. So let's get started and see what we can do with this $50 lot. Okie doke, we'll start it off with this Carolina black. We're looking for matching numbers, a coin, a scripted all is the win all, or a $100 burst. Ticket 7, 40, 34, 39, pesky 12, 6, or a good old buddy 9. Match on 39. Sweet. No 25. No 23. No 37. No 31. No 5. No 38. No 21. No 13. No double deuce 22. No 19. No 36. No 28. No 17. And no 18. We do have a match on our 39s for a $10 break even. We're on the board. It's always nice to win on that first ticket. Next up is the blue power 10. On this right hand side, we're looking for that 10 symbol, a 10x or 20x multiplier. And in the power spots, we're looking for that very hard to find bag of cash. Alrighty, nothing there. Come on, big multiplier. We got one multiplier when we played a book of these when they first come out, and we have not seen anything since. Alrighty, nothing on the blue power 10. Next up is the 1 million bankroll. Ticket 27. We're looking for matching numbers, roll of cash, 10x multiplier, or a bag of cash is the win all. 18, 30, 40, 29, 5, or a 24. No 36. No 38. No 2. Match on 18. Sweet. No 33. Match on 40. No 26. No 9, no 9, no 9. No 14. No 21. Match on 5. 3 matches so far. Nice. And another match on 30 for 4 matches. No 8. No 16 in the clutch corner holes. A 17. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 matches. Sweet. Look at that. 10. Where's the other one at? Oh my gosh. 30, 40, 50. We've got a profit session. We won our money back on this one ticket. 10, 20, 30, 40, $50 ticket on the 1 million bankroll. And we've got a $10 ticket on the Carolina black. Profit session. Sweet. And we still got 2 tickets left. Nice. Alrighty, on the jumbo bucks, we're looking for matching numbers, roll of cash, 10x multiplier, or a chance at a $100 bill, or the bucks symbol is a win all on this ticket. 28, 13, 38, 2, 21, or a 22. No 5. No pesky 12. No 39. No 24. no 7, no 23, no 14, no 15, no 34, no 36, no 6, no 33, no 16, no 37 in the clutch corner, no 8, so nothing on the Jumbo Bucks. Jumbo Bucks. Alrighty, we played a book of these last weekend, or weekend before last, or anyway, and we had a profit session on a book. Other than that, we haven't had a whole lot of luck on this ticket. 50 times the cash. We're looking for a bag of cash in the bonus. Down at the bottom is matching numbers, a 2, 5, 10, 20, or 50x multiplier. Alrighty, nothing up there. 44, 26, 4, 43, 48, or a 33. No 38, I got 48, but no 38, no 47, no 37, no 36, no 16, no 17, no 39, no 29, no 46, no 23, no 3, no 28, no 27, no 13 in the clutch corner, no 14, so nothing on the 50 times the cash, but we still wound up with a profit session with a nice $50 win on the 1 million bankroll and a $10 break even on the Carolina Black for $60, $10, but profit session is a profit session. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, let's old YouTube know we got a pretty good channel and they'll share it. Leave a comment down below, but most importantly guys, thank you so much for watching.